In this video, I'll be giving you the 5 ways to boost your testosterone naturally. Before proceeding in this video, I would like to address the question that is coming in your mind. You might be thinking that what the is testosterone and why is it even important for men? Why do men need this hormone and it is the most important hormone in a male's body? Testosterone is the most important hormone in a male because it is the hormone which is responsible for all the manly things. A man can take high risks if he has testosterone. A man can go in the world and battle and fight his wars if he has testosterone. So testosterone is very, very important. If you have a low testosterone, you wouldn't be a man anymore. You would be a girl. You would sit around in your home on your couch, scrolling reels, watching TikTok. I don't know what people watching these things. If you have high testosterone, you would be eager to go out in the world and win this world, conquer this planet, and do something with your life. So testosterone is important. The first way you can boost your testosterone is stop using plastic. You see, plastic has microplastics in it. When you touch any plastic, the microplastics from the plastic material comes into your body and goes into your bloodstream. Microplastics are very small microparticles that come into your bloodstream when you come in contact with any plastic. So when these microplastics come into your bloodstream, they have estrogenic producing qualities. So when they react with your blood, they produce estrogen, which is when increased, a man loses his testosterone, he starts acting a little bit of feminine characters. Avoid plastic. Whenever you see plastic, don't touch it. Don't touch plastic. Avoid plastic anywhere you see. Replace your plastic bottle with a metal one. Use a wooden toilet seat instead of a plastic toilet seat. Use a metallic pen instead of a plastic pen. Use metal. Metal is a good thing. Use metal whenever you can use and avoid plastic at any cost. I mean, plastic is unavoidable. It is everywhere in our environment. But the more you avoid it, the better your testosterone will become. So avoid plastic as much as you can because it lowers your testosterone. The second thing is physical exercise. I mean, this is the most obvious things. Every man should do a physical exercise. And this is obvious. If you are not doing any physical exercise, then what the are you doing with your life? Go out there in the gym, lift some weights, and it will definitely boost your testosterone. The third one is sleep. This one is also an obvious thing, but people often overlook the quality of sleep. The quality of the sleep matters. There is a thing called REM sleep, which is random eye movement sleep. It is the part of the sleep where you are most sleepy. REM sleep is basically the part of your sleep when you are most sleepy, when your body is producing testosterone. This is a part of your sleep when you have dreams, when you are completely relaxed and sleeping. So you need to get into REM sleep every night. I use some protocols to make my sleep quality better. What I do is I sleep at the same time every single day. The second thing I do is I cut off any blue light before I sleep. I use night filters at night, or I don't use my phone 1 hour before sleep. The third thing I do is I don't take a heavy meal before sleep. The fourth thing I do is I use a mouth tape. I tape my mouth basically. So when we are sleeping, we sometimes start breathing from our mouth, and that could reduce the quality of your sleep because many facial problems come from breathing from mouth. So when you're sleeping, you can tape your mouth so you can breathe from your nose. These are the 4 things that I do to enhance the quality of my sleep to get the REM sleep.